Ano pong pinagkaiba ng call in sick at malinger kapag ang konteksto ay hindi pagpasok sa trabaho? May mga pagkakataon po talaga na hindi natin kayang pasukan yung trabaho natin on a particular day because of various reasons. Pwedeng because you're ill, because you're injured, because you have to do something very important na hindi pwedeng malaman ng katrabaho mo, or pwedeng it's just another lazy day. Dito pumapasok yung call in sick at malinger. Ang call in sick, ito yung you inform your employer that you cannot go to work on that particular day because you are really sick, because your body is really weak, or because you are really ill. That's call-in sick. Malinger, on the other hand, ito yung you fake your illness or your sickness, you exaggerate the symptoms of a particular illness because you want to avoid work or because you don't want to work on that particular day. That's malinger. I had to call in sick last week because I had asthma attacks. But there was one time I was caught malingering during office hours. Kayo po, nagmalinger na po ba kayo or ako lang to?